Okay, if your power's out, here's how you manually open your door, your garage door. Pull on this red string. Yeah, and then to reset it. There, it's reset now. Yeah, because all you're doing is, see that? You can manually open your door, and then now it's attached to here in the chain. You can hit the power. Right. Okay, the power's back on. See? See, it's got a latch up in there. Okay, if you have no power, this is how you open your garage door. Pull the string down. I don't know if I did it that time. I need to push it back up now. Okay, it's working now. I had to push it up on that guide. Alright, so that's how you do that. I just jiggle that thing up and down. Okay, it's parallel, that metal plate to that. This mechanism connects up to this piece behind it. It's behind this. And it moves it. And then when you pull that down, it detaches from it.